Hey, science class, this is Mr. Gorski. I'm explaining to you a engineering project that I'm going to have you design this class and work to create in the next couple classes. Essentially, we're going to make a quiz game or a matching game using your knowledge of circuits. So here's a picture of some kind of weird like circuit thing. But essentially, what the whole idea of this assignment is there's going to be you're going to create questions on one side, and they can be questions about anything. You can make a your matching game, your quiz on anything. That part really doesn't matter. You could make them math problems. You could make them BAV vocabulary words. You can make it about football or baseball. To me, the questions are secondary. What I think is the most important part is how we're going to wire this and make this and what supplies we're going to use. And so on one side of your board, you're going to have a bunch of questions. On the other side of your board, you'll have a bunch of answers. And when you match correctly a question and an answer, a light should go off. Now, you're going to just make your plans today. You're not going to build this today. We're going to design this today. And you must come up with two designs. Um, the design sheet looks like this, and you will get two of these. The first one, you're going to put your name. You're going to create a design name for it, and you're going to put your table number. Then you're going to create design criteria. Then you're going to create a design based on these criteria. The first is cost. Obviously, we don't want to use a ton of materials because it would cost more. And when you're building a design, you have to worry about the cost. The next one is complexity. If it's very simple, it might work a lot better than if it's very complex. The third is development time. How long will it take, do you think would it take to make? Hopefully, something like this wouldn't take 4 days to make. Um, and so probably development time is important. And the last one is appearance. How good do you think the game will look in the end? So you're going to make this design based on these 1, 2, 3, 4 criteria. You're going to need to write all the materials you will need in this box right here. And then you'll need to draw your design in this box here, which has a little bit more space on it. If you need ideas, you can get ideas. I just Googled circuit project matching game and a bunch of things came up. There's a video of one design, but you have got to be able to describe what your design ideas are. Now here's the catch. Your each person's at your table is going to make two designs, and then you're going to evaluate all the designs. So next class, when everybody has their designs, you're going to use a decision matrix and evaluate the cost and how hard it is and the development time and the appearance. And you're going to come up, and your table will come up with a total point value for each design, and the top design will actually be built. So you're kind of being challenged against your tables. So make sure you put forth really good designs so that maybe you can see your idea become an actual product. So once again, our challenge is make a quiz game. When you attach one side, the correct question with the correct answer on the other, we get a light to light up and we know that the answer is correct. You can use any of the wires or batteries or bulbs that we've used in our circuits. You can also use other materials. But again, we have to worry about the cost, complexity, development time, and appearance. If your material list is going to be huge, probably cost and complexity scores would go down. So think about basic designs, and maybe you're even thinking about what kind of quiz questions that you're going to ask, because that may be another category that we evaluate. And so that is our project. Two designs right now in class. Don't get these two designs done. They're due for homework. So work well. See you later.